Top stocks in news: L&T, Wipro, BHEL, Dr. Reddy's, HPCL, Zydus Life, Concor, PB Fintech, Ola. Stocks including L&T, Wipro, BHEL, Dr. Reddy's, HPCL, Zydus Life, Concor, PB Fintech, Ola Electrical, Railtel, NPTC Green and more will be in the spotlight on Thursday, 30th October. Quarterly results today: ITC, Cipla, NTPC, Hyundai Motor India, Swiggy, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India, Aditya Birla Capital, Adani Power, Bandhan Bank, Dabur India, DLF, Indian Energy Exchange, Lodha Developers, United Spirits, Manappuram Finance, Motilal Oswal Financial Services, Mphasis and Welspun Corp are among the companies that will release their quarterly results today. 1. Larsen & Toubro. The infra major reported a 16% YoY jump in the net profit at 3,926 crore rupees, while its revenue jumped 10% YoY to 67,984 crore rupees for the September 2025 quarter. Its EBITDA rose 7% YoY to 6,806 crore rupees, while margins dropped to 10% for the quarter. 2. Wipro. The AI-powered technology services and consulting company has signed a multi-year strategic agreement with Haas Brands Inc., a global leader in iconic apparel brands. Leveraging the Wipro Intelligence Wings platform, it aims to transform Haas Brands' IT infrastructure and cybersecurity operations with an AI-first approach. 3. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. The pharma major has received a notice of non-compliance (NON) from the Pharmaceutical Drugs Directorate, Canada, regarding its abbreviated New Drug Submission (ANDS) for the semaglutide injection. 4. Bharat Heavy Electricals. The state-run capital goods major reported a manifold jump in the net profit at 374.9 crore rupees, up 253.2% YoY, while revenue rose 14.1% YoY to 7,511.8 crore rupees for the 3-month ended 30th September 2025. EBITDA more than doubled to 550 crore rupees, while margins jumped sharply to 7.7%. 5. Zydus Life Sciences. The pharma player has received the Establishment Inspection Report (EIR) from the USFDA following an inspection conducted at its Baddi manufacturing facility during August 4 to 13. The EIR has classified the facility as Voluntary Action Indicated (VAI). The USFDA has concluded this inspection as closed. 6. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. The oil marketing major reported a net profit of 3,859.3 crore rupees, while revenue dropped 9% YoY to 1.01 lakh rupees crore for the quarter ended on 30th September 2025. Its EBITDA came in at 6,891 crore rupees, while margins stood at 6.8%. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.